everyone, today I'm doing something different. I'm going to change this shirt into a fashionable shirt. This one I wear for going for a quick walk, but it's way too long and it looks very old-fashioned. So just in case if you have long shirt at home, I share with you how to do this. Look at the shadow when I have a tripod. But so it's very simple way to do. The shirt already has the seam sewed up like this.
The elastic today, I'm using it 2 inches wide.
So you can use a smaller one, but I think the big one is much better. So I'm going to go from one side to the other side. And you're going to cut the elastic is about, I would say about 4 inches shorter than it's supposed to be. So it's like this. You're gonna fold it in half. And then from here to here, about 4 inches shorter. Just cut this and then I'll show you how to sew this. This is very cute. You're gonna love it. Just like so. And now I'm going to go, now you can see that we have this long, okay? So it's wrap around. Remember, fold and then cut it 4 inches shorter. I'm gonna go and sew this two together. Overlap about half an inch and then sew it down, sew it around. Now after I sew it together, I'm going to fold this into half and then half again. So I'm gonna mark into 4 different 4 equal parts. Okay, and then holding this side to this side that you mark. I change all my shirt into this.
Mark 4 equal parts.
This is the bottom of the shirt. It's already sewn like this. You're gonna hold one side to the other on the bottom like this, and then you fold it into half. Okay, after you fold it into half, you have the 4 equal parts. And I'm going to, hold on, get a different marker so you can see more. Okay, so I'm gonna go in the fold here. You can see we have this fold. Go and mark on the fold. That 2, and then on here, I'm gonna mark that, and then this. Go from the inside, that's where we mark. Bring back the elastic.
Now I'm going to pin the elastic to the shirt where we mark the 4 equal parts. And then when you sew, you're going to stretch the elastic out to match with the shirt. Because right now you can see the shirt is longer than the elastic. When I sew, I pull the elastic to fit into the shirt, and I sew below the blue, so about less than 1/8 of an inch. As you can see, when I sew, I pull the elastic out so it can match with the shirt. Just so you know, I do a lot of sewing shirt, dresses, and pants, and short any kind, but I don't show on the video because most of the time when I upload the video about sewing clothes, less people watching. So that's why I follow that, and I never share more after I noticed less people watching and so enclosed. So hopefully a lot of people are doing this today. This is cute. Also, it you can wear with short or you can wear with capris. It's very cute than the long, plain, ugly shirt. A lot of people put on a comment on my last video saying that my voice are very relaxing, so every time they watch my video, they fall asleep, and it's not boring. It is just because the my voice. So I told my son that, and he say, "Why don't you do a story, nap time story or something?" I'm like, "Oh my goodness, I'm not gonna read the book because if the audience is not sleeping, I will be."
Now you see after I sew on around here, look much better. Let's look at that. So this is the right side still. We're going to fold it into the inside like this. Holding it like this. This is basic. Stuck that back in and make sure that you give it a shake. We just go into the wrong side and then we're going to start sewing. After I inside out, this is the inside. I'm going to go folding this like this. Okay. And then from here, this is where you sew. You're gonna fold it one more time like this. Sew it in. And make sure you straighten everything out. This is for you to sew later on. Alright, in here, I'm going to pin this down. You go pin around it and make sure you don't twist too much. That one side. This is the center where the joints of the elastic, and this is the side. So make sure you have it, the elastic go to the side. Just like so. And I will show you how to sew this around. Same thing. Now with the sleeve, if you want to, you can cut about 3 inches here and then leave the whole 5 inches here or 6 inches here, just like this, and then you sew like that if you want to. So that's it everyone, I finished. As I mentioned in the video, you can use the same thread that match with your shirt and to sew this. When I do the video, I try my best to match to show the dress so you can see better. So that's why I'm using white, but you can use the same thread if you want to make it your own. So that basically it. It's very fashionable from your old shirt to a brand new style. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers, channel members, new subscriber, for your support, your donation and your comment. I read your comment every time I upload the video. So if you have any question, please feel free to email me. The email in my description box and sometime in my first comment of the video. Love you. Take care. Stay safe, everyone.